In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, animate, enhance, and polish text for a professional title sequence. We'll move through 4 clear phases: adding your text, animating it with keyframes, enhancing the look with transitions and effects, and then polishing everything so it feels synced and stylish. Start by adding your text. Select the text tool and click directly in your program or canvas window. Then type your title. Keep it readable, choose a clean font, adjust the size so it's legible on both desktop and mobile, and center it or align it where you want it to live on screen. If your background is busy, add contrast with a subtle drop shadow or a semi-transparent rectangle behind the text. Take a second to check safe margins so nothing important sits too close to the edges. Next, animate it. Go to the Effect Controls panel with the text clip selected. You can animate position to make it slide, scale to make it zoom, or opacity to make it fade. Click the stopwatch next to the property you want to change to create your first keyframe. Move the playhead to a new time, adjust the value, and a second keyframe appears. For example, start with scale at 90% and opacity at 0%. Then a second later, set scale to 100% and opacity to 100% for a gentle zoom and fade in. To make motion feel smoother, ease your keyframes so the animation starts and ends softly rather than abruptly. Now, enhance the sequence with transitions and effects. A simple cross dissolve at the start or end of the text clip creates a clean fade without extra keyframing. For even smoother motion, add the transform effect. Animate position or scale inside transform and enable motion blur by adjusting the shutter angle for a cinematic touch. Small values go a long way. Keep it subtle so the text remains crisp while still feeling dynamic. Finally, polish the piece. Sync your animation to music by looking at the waveform and aligning keyframes with the beat or key moments in the track. If the song has a downbeat, time the final scale or opacity keyframe to land right there for impact. Add tasteful overlays like a faint gradient, a thin underline that animates in with the text, or a soft texture to reinforce your style. Keep colors consistent with your brand and maintain